going, YouTube? Nicholas Daniel with Flying Vulture Capital, and I'm going to continue my series where I trade to $1 million. Today was an excellent day of trading. I spent roughly 17 minutes in the market, but got the returns I was looking for if I spent hours. Let's cut straight into the content and see how I did it. So I started the day off looking at the E-minis and saw that the S&P 500 was about to gap up. This looked a little weak to me as we were in a resistance area, but I wasn't sure of my bearish sentiment just yet. I had to look at the other stocks. I could see pretty much everything was in a position where it needed to sell off. As you can see, the SPX gapped up to resistance levels, and I was curious about Apple, so I clicked on all the Magnificent Seven and saw similar context. They were all primed to sell, at least for a little bit in the morning. Because of this, I entered a call credit spread, selling pretty high deltas, so I wasn't risking much capital to get the returns I was looking for, as I typically do. Don't risk much capital on your trades. Now you can see the market began to pull back pretty quickly after I entered this position, which was nice. Because of this, I entered another call credit spread, selling high deltas as well, so I could add more premium to the table for a potential big pullback. As you can see here, the pullback both increased in volume and intensity, which was nice to see, and my profits quickly shot up. Because of that, I took profit immediately. I wouldn't let a market inverse wipe out my gains, which it could have. As you can see here, after I took profit, the next 30 minutes were filled with upward momentum, which would have made me a loser for the day if I didn't take profit. But at the end of the day, I ended up making $1.3 thousand, so it was an excellent day of trading. Overall, it was a great day of trading. Didn't spend much time in the market, and I had extreme discipline. One important lesson from today is if you see profit, take it immediately. The last 2 days I adhered to this principle, and I could have made more money, but on a day like today, when you're disciplined and take the profit when you see it and a market inverse comes, you feel excellent knowing that you made money by mere seconds and you could have been a loser if you held on. Remember this when you trade. It's better to see profit on the account, no matter how small, than to risk it for a big gain and watch your account go down in value. Also remember position sizing. It's a lot easier to play brave games when you don't have much of the account running on one position. That's all my content for today. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Enjoyed it, y'all.